Hey guys, Buckwsr here, putting the do in a do-it-yourself. Our do-it-yourself project today is how to repair the recoil rope pull starter on your Westinghouse generator. If the battery for electric start is dead and then the rope breaks, you're sunk. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Why don't we take down the starter, recoil starter, pull rope starter, whatever you want to call it. And that looks like it's 8 millimeters again. Alright. Uno. Dos. Tres. Okay. And putting some new rope on here will be a job for over at the workbench. Shouldn't be too difficult. Well, we've moved inside here, and here at my desk I put down a piece of paper stringing this recoil starter. So I've done this a lot of times. I've got other videos on this particular topic, and I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. To do it, you'll need, of course, some new starter rope, pack of matches, or a lighter, because I like to melt the ends of the nylon string so it doesn't come unfrayed. You need the original handle, a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, or a knife. Utility knife. So what I'm going to do first of all is determine how much string I need. So I'm going to determine how much I need by pulling out what remains on the spool. And by doing that, I've pretty much fully, we've got the, what am I saying? So this is under spring tension now because we've just pulled it all out. So you want to keep that under spring tension, all right? And then once it's fully up, we're going to drop a screwdriver through here just to keep it in place for the time being, all right? So now we know how much string we need because we got what remains on that we pulled out off of the pulley plus the little bit that is still left over on the handle. So take your new string and we're going to just kind of measure how much we need based on what was there, plus a little more. So that's that, plus what was on the handle, plus let's give ourselves a few more inches like there. All right, now the scissors. We cut it. So far a piece of cake, right? Alright, so now we're going to try to line up the section of the pulley where the string comes through and knots with the part of the recoil starter where this comes out. So I'm going to remove my screwdriver and just let it line up right about here. Alright, now I'm going to put my screwdriver back in there. Okay? Like that. So now let's pull this guy out. Get rid of the old guy. Our new string is right here, and he's got to come through here, the hole where the handle comes, across the pulley, and through this hole right here. Hope you can see that all right. I feel like I might need more light over here. Maybe that'll help a little bit. So the hole right here, yeah, oh, you can't see that. is lined up with the hole in the housing. So I'm going to see if I can get this through here. Alright, so here's our first issue. It starts to come unfrayed on. It starts, you know, coming undone on me, hence the matches. Another thing we could do is use a piece of light electrical tape around that. And that'll make it easier to string through the couple of holes. So like that. All right, so going through here. Then see if we can get it to fish gently through the hole in the pulley. And you got to be patient sometimes, and might take a few attempts. Coming around this way. Oh, I see a tip of it sticking out there. I might be able to grab it with some needle nose pliers. Indeed, so there it is. Alright, so we've wound him through, and of course we make a knot like so. And then, like I said, I like to I'm going to leave a little bit of that tape on there. I like to take a match and sort of melt the end of that nylon to keep it from fraying. Just melts a little like that, and you know it's not going to come undone on you. Alright, so we pull him through there like that. And that's all there is to it. Now we can remove that screwdriver and let it slowly wind onto the back onto the pulley. Okay, and so I still have a good 18 inches out here. And just give it a few tries. Yeah, that works pretty good. So you pull it out and it winds back on. No problem. Alright, so now our next step is to connect the handle. I don't know if the yellow and the blue is a good match for me. I don't think it goes together too well. Yeah, it does need to be clean. We will take the woman's advice. Clean it up.
The woman.
Well, I hope you're not disputing that designation.
No, I just think it's a little more personal.
The dream woman. Alright, so with this, you can use a screwdriver to pry out this part and separate them. Let's pass the string through here, like so. Now here's the old one. There's a knot in there. So I got to figure out how to, probably what I can do is just completely snip this off flush. So, by and figure out how to get that guy out of there with a variety of pressing and pulling.
The woman's going out.
Hi, woman.
Bye, bud.
Okay, so I've got the string pushed through the connector part of the handle. Now, what I want to do is I don't want the handle flopping loose. So I'm going to put the I'm going to pull out some string against the tension of the pulley, and then I'm going to put the screwdriver in again to hold it like that. Now, when I tie my knot and get it, release the screwdriver, should be tight up against there. At least that's the goal. So, tie a knot. Let it go in there. Now before I do that, we'll cut it and we can do it now. We'll cut it and melt the ends as we did previously. Okay, he fits into there. Like that. Now we can release the screwdriver here. And there we go. That's it. Looks pretty good. Okay, I think that's good enough. Alright, that part of the job is done. We can just bolt it back to the generator engine. Well, all that remains is to bolt the repaired recoil starter back up into place. Washer 8mm bolt. One. There's two. And one more down low. And we tighten them down. Alright, that's it. Got the carburetor off. It's another repair, but give it a shot. Alright. And that's good to go. Okay, that's it for today. I want to thank you for watching. I hope that helps you with your small engine repairs. Love to hear from you. If this helps you, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more small engine and related do-it-yourself repair projects. That's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.